Hey everybody, and welcome to another video. Right here you see we got the garlics. They're going strong. Still haven't planted anything over here, but we have been planting a lot of different things. Let me show you what we got going on over here. So right here we got a little mango tree started. Oop, get the shadow right. Here we go. Got a little mango tree started. We're gonna see how it goes. Don't know unless you try. One mango. Then over here we got the second mango. Oop, shadow. And then we got the second mango. So yeah, we've been busy all morning, getting things right, getting the ground right, fertilizing the soil. What we did was dug a hole. We put our compost in there. You know, our banana peels, the egg shells, the coffee grinds, the peels of the potatoes, the peels of the sweet potatoes, all the different, onion peels, you name it. It's all in there. Mix it with some good dirt, some topsoil. Mix it with the clay. Mix it all around, water it. Put the all organic fertilizer that I had, what I told you with the yucca extract and all that stuff in it. Boom, we put it in there. Planted our little mango seeds that have sprouted, as you can see. Zoom in for y'all. And then yeah, so now we got two little mango trees growing. So let me take you over to the trees that I planted I guess this has been about a week ago now. Show you how they're doing, so you guys can see the progress right along with me. Oh, I didn't do a video on this, so I might as well stop here. I planted this the other day. It was raining out, so I didn't get a chance. So we have two tangerine trees here where we have planted, and they seem to be taking off. These have survived 2 winters up here in a pot, so we figured if they was able to do that there's no doubt about it they're going to be able to make it and survive here. So we'll see how they do. This is the first year doing this, so we'll just experiment with everything right now. So here it is. This is the peach tree, y'all. Let me zoom in so you guys can see the buds that have already sprouted. See them there? Already started. To let you know we did a good job getting it in the ground, getting it right. So then over here we have the apple, I believe it is. Yep. And we have very small tiny buds coming out here on the ends. Come on, zoom in. There they are, you can see them there. And then finally over here, the other apple tree. It's budding pretty good, if you guys can see that. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. See it there. You can see it there. So yeah. Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Like I said earlier, so all these trees that have sprouted, they're doing good. This is very relaxing, very fulfilling, enjoying work. Talking to y'all, letting y'all see the progress of the plants and all that good stuff. So it's really just, it's great. It really is. This is so fun, and I'm really enjoying it. And it's good to see the progress, and it's good to see all your hard work bring the fruition, and you be able to see, the fruits of your labor. So it's really enjoyable. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Leave your comments down in the comment section below. If y'all got any suggestions, I got all the sproutlings sprouting over there. We got the beets, the radishes, the squash, the zucchini, the cucumbers, the strawberries, we got all that other stuff coming up, starting up. When we get that in the ground, I'll put it on there and show it to you. We also been transplanting a lot of grass over here in this area to the little areas that got washed away when we had these heavy rains this winter. So I just hope y'all enjoyed this video. Take care, y'all. Peace out.